Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're a subscriber or you've watched my video, thank you so much. Thank you so much for my 454 subscribers on the road to 500. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed to my video. This video is a sign that you don't need to have hundreds of products to care or maintain your natural hair. We're going to be talking about the 4 essential products needed to care for your natural hair. When I say 4 essential, I mean just 4 products that you need to take care of your natural hair. So now let's get into it. Number 1 product. Shampoo. We all know, yes, it's necessary. You need a shampoo. Now, not just any shampoo, you need a moisturizing shampoo. And today I bring to you a brand that caters for natural, a brand that is just for curated just for natural hair. The brand is Kuicare. Kuicare is a brand that focuses on natural hair. All their products are affordable, and when I say affordability meets quality, they are what I'm talking about. Now, when I say shampoo, I do not just mean any shampoo, okay? We're looking for shampoo that will not strip your hair of the essential oils, and that's why I would recommend this shampoo, the Kuicare moisturizing shampoo. Number 2, conditioner. We all know conditioner is necessary. Even if you do not add deep conditioner to your routine, you have to have a conditioner. And now the conditioner I would recommend again is the Kuicare moisturizing conditioner. Just from the texture alone, oh my god, this conditioner is conditioning. This conditioner, and it's not just made from any other thing, it's made from tea tree and cinnamon. But you to know that they know what they are doing. And for the 3rd product, I don't even know how to stress the importance of this product, a leave-in conditioner. Even if you don't have any product, just have a leave-in conditioner is very, very essential. I mean, putting in a leave-in conditioner can help you reduce breakage, can help with dry hair, can help you retain length. Yes, in case you don't know, it can actually help you retain length. And the product I'll be recommending, the leave-in conditioner I would be recommending is, drumrolls, the Kuicare leave-in conditioner slash hair cream. I mean, this was, oh my god, just putting them when I was braiding this hair, this was what I used, and just putting it on my hair, like this way my hair became soft. This is, you know that, yes, this is top touch, and again it's tea tree and cinnamon leave-in conditioner slash hair cream. And now to the 4th product. This one is a water-based product. In everything you do in your natural hair journey, always ensure that you have a water-based product. So now you might be wondering what this product is. It's a hair mist. I know a lot of people do not talk about how important having a hair mist is in your natural hair journey. Now, the product I'll be recommending for this leave-in hair mist is the Kuicare leave-in hair mist. And let me first of all start with the scent of this. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. And now this leave-in conditioning mist, you can also use it on your braids or weaves to help with it, the shine and all. And also you can use it, I mean, that's what it is made for, your natural hair. Now we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much to everybody that has gotten to this part of this video. Thank you to everyone that has watched my video. Thank you to everyone that liked my video, and let me know in the comment section what your favorite product are. What product are you currently using? What product would you recommend in the comment section? And now if you want to get any of these products, this full set, when I say I told you they are affordable. So this full set, these 4 products goes for 12,500 Nigerian naira, and I'll put the link to their Instagram and all their contact info, and they also have a website, so all their contact info I will drop it in my description. Thank you once again for watching this video, and bye.